Hi there, I'm Tony DeBonis with Starline Windows. I'd like to spend a few moments just to discuss what is condensation and how to reduce it. Now, condensation is a conversion of water vapor that is in the air, converting it into a liquid. Now, periodic condensation is normal, especially during colder weather. And during periods of colder weather, no matter how good your glass is, how good that sealed unit is, whether it's a double pane or triple pane sealed unit with argon, krypton, stainless steel spacer bar, whatever it is, there's no way that can compare to a 2x6 or a 2x8 framed insulated wall that has sheeting on it, exterior, and including your drywall on the inside. So that sealed unit, which is probably going to be about 1 inch overall diameter to maybe up to 1.25, compared to a framed and insulated wall, quite a difference. Just think how hard that steel unit has to work to keep out that cold temperature. So your glass is the coldest surface. Now what happens? So all the moisture in the air that is always present from either cooking, washing, bathing, showering, laundry, if you have plants in your home, all that water vapor that's in your air is going to be attracted to the coldest surface in your home. In this case, being the glass. A little example that I can tell you here is, imagine if you took a cold beer, a cold Pepsi, or a cold glass of ice water and you put it on your counter. What happens? Almost instantly, the water vapor that is present in your home is going to be attracted to that cold object. In this case, it's not the glass, it is that cold can of beer, cold can of Pepsi, or that ice water. It's going to condense on the outside of that. And if you pick it up, what happens? You're going to see a ring on your counter. Now that ring on your counter is all the moisture that is in the air. You're breathing it in. You may not know it's there, but there's always moisture present in your home. So how can you reduce condensation on your glass during cold temperatures? The first thing you do is increase the ventilation in your home. Make sure you got your fan running, you've got your heat on, and just get the air moving around. Sometimes it's good to exchange the air in your house by opening a window here or there, opening a door. Make sure you use exhaust fans when you're showering or bathing and even cooking. For the case of bathing and showering, the exhaust fan is not going to get 100% of the moisture out of the bathroom after your shower. So as soon as you open that door of the bathroom and you're walking down the hall to your bedroom, or you're walking down to the kitchen, and you're still got your hair wet, you've got a wet towel on, whatever, where's that moisture going to go? It's going to start evaporating and going into the air. So again, you're creating more moisture in your air in your home. You can always ensure your blinds are open, even just a little bit, to allow the warm air to sneak underneath your blinds to heat up the glass area, to keep that glass as warm as possible. Always ensure your heat registers are open. And if you're a person that loves plants, a lot of people do in the house, just think, you're watering your plants daily or every couple of days. Yes, lots of that water is going to be absorbed into the plant because they're thirsty. But a lot of that water that you're pouring into the soil is actually going to evaporate before it gets absorbed by the plant, and it's going to evaporate into your home. I mean, depending on how many plants that you have, you could have a tropical forest in your home. And if it gets cold outside, that moisture is going to be attracted to the coldest surface in your home again, and that is going to be your glass. And another form of condensation is called exterior condensation. So what is this? Now, this is present in certain climates and in temperature versions when the humidity in the air outside will be attracted again to a cold surface. These cold surfaces could be as simple as the patio furniture that you have, your glass and aluminum railings that you have outside. It could be a playground. It could be your lawn. It could be the windshield on your car, the metal on your car. How many times you wake up, it never rained last night, but there's moisture on your car windows. It's like, what? The lawn, it's wet. It never rained last night, but the dew point dropped. That lawn, that patio furniture, your vehicle was colder than the air. So the moisture in the air, which is always present, is going to be attracted to the cold surface, which in this case are those things. So basically, exterior condensation, it can actually form on the outside of your windows, your glass. It is not a problem, just like it's not a problem for Ford or Toyota or Chevrolet when you get condensation on your windshield. Your windows are working hard, they're designed to do so, and they're keeping your house nice and toasty and warm. So you can't control exterior condensation forming on your glass of your windows or on your car windshield, but you can help control the condensation forming on the inside pane of your glass in your home by managing the humidity levels in your home. The best way to manage your humidity levels in your home, again, as I mentioned before, is increasing the ventilation of your air system in your home, turning on your fan. It could be turning on your exhaust fans when you're cooking, when you're bathing, when you're showering. It is ensuring that your blinds are slightly open to allow the warm air to get in between the window covering and the glass to warm up that glass area to avoid condensation forming on it. It could be making sure your heat registers are all open, so you've got air circulation going again. It could be avoiding hanging up wet towels or bathing suits or any type of laundry inside the home. Make sure that is put in a dryer so the dryer vent is ventilated to the outside airspace. If you've got a lot of plants in your house, again, just a reminder, that water you're pouring in the soil, it's not all going to the leaves and to the plant. A lot of it's going to evaporate into your home. So those are some things to help reduce condensation, and I hope this video helped explain what is condensation and ways to help reduce it inside your home. We would love to hear from you. We would love to help you out in your next home project, renovation project, new build. Contact us today at www.starlinewindows.com. Follow us on our YouTube channel. Join us on Facebook, on Instagram, and we look forward to hearing from you. And thanks again for watching.